Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is currently 9:14 a.m. It is 25 degrees out here in Idaho. I'm cold. I'm ready to go back to San Diego, but I wanted to make a video real quick to just tell you guys kind of like what happened. So I ended up selling an iPhone 7 128 gig unlocked locally for $300. I was just trying to get a quick sale. Bought it for $180, sold it for $300, right? Couple days after I sold the phone, the guy who bought it from me messaged me and said, hey, I can't hear people when I'm talking to them. They can hear me, but I can't hear them. So I decided to meet up with him today to figure it out. I brought an extra, I had an extra iPhone 7 with me, same specs, just different color, that I exchanged with him. A lot of you guys who I've seen, you know, don't do returns or exchanges for local sales, and you guys just don't believe in that. I do. I actually believe in you know, just doing right. If it was a mistake on my part, I didn't check that, then I can't, you know, I can't punish the buyer and not respond or block him because I feel like he's trying to scam me. What I do is I meet up with him all the time and I check. We went through the checks and he was correct. I couldn't hear, or they couldn't hear me, you know, and it is what it is. I did the exchange. I gave him another 7 and he went on about his day. But again, I just want to, you know, tell you guys that and let you guys know the beginner flippers, those who are out there, you know, just do the right thing, you know, regardless of what it is. If it's your fault, do the right thing. You know when somebody's trying to get over and scam you. You know, you guys know how to identify that. But when it's your fault and you know, I didn't even notice that when I checked it when I bought it the first time. But he was right, and it is what it is. You know, I'm not out thinking everybody's trying to scam me. You know, just part of the business. You know, I know sometimes, you know, some don't have that much capital to be dealing with the different returns and stuff like that. But in the end, it works out for you. When you do right, and you continue to do right, then things are going to start going your way. Now, what he did was he messaged me right after. He messaged me right after he left, and, you know, was just thanking me, saying, hey, thanks a lot, man. You know, he's bought phone before in the past where people just blocked him. You know, all these different experiences that he had. You know, and I was the one to actually do a return or an exchange and do that. So what I asked from him was if he could, you know, post in the groups and do a review on my Facebook page about his experience, you know, and he agreed. So, you know, I'm getting some positivity out of it. I'm getting somebody who is referring me to others, you know, about how trustworthy I am and how I do good business. And I just want you guys to kind of put that into your business, you know, regardless of the situation. It's up to you to figure out if they are scamming you or not, or trying to get over. But, you know, I didn't check. I don't remember checking that part when I did my inspection. So, you know, I checked it again when we met up and he was right. So, it is what it is, guys. I just wanted to let you guys know about this situation that I'm having. You know, because I go through all these same different situations you guys go through. But yeah, just wanted to touch on that and let you guys know that I will be in San Diego tomorrow, staying there for a week. So if I'm not very active in the group, that's just because I'm out doing stuff. So bear with me for those who ask me questions and want their posts approved. Bear with me on that. So again, guys, I'm about to head to the gym. It's cold right now, but just wanted to give you guys that. So hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day. Hopefully you guys buy a bunch of phones to flip, and I'll see you guys soon.